more precise answer to farmers. Because now farmer is getting answer. The problem is he is not sure whether the answer is right or not. So I am asking, this symptom is there. But has the scientist got exactly? Once we have video kind of thing, things will move faster. And now I don't know whether this has been covered or not. A huge national optical fiber network is going to be led in this country. And one block, one Mandal Parwada in Visakhapatnam district, one Aryan block in Ajmer district and South Tripura in Tripura. You will be surprised, no, I visited Parwada myself here because Visakhapatnam is the nearest out of the three. All schools, I am talking about primary schools, primary health center, and all the Gram Panchayat, I visited 15 of them in Parwada, I was there for 3 days, have 100 Mbps line. We are thinking in Hyderabad we are poor in connectivity, these people are so rich. And that is going to happen for 2,35,000 mobile number to someone or else. It may be to an NGO, it may be to a bank, it may be to government,